Hey, this is Marko, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create a new account in YNAB. But before I show you how to do that, subscribe to the channel, it helps me out a lot. So basically, what you have to do is open up the app, and once you open up the app, you want to go to the bottom under Accounts, and under Accounts you want to click on this big button that says Add Account. If you don't see it, on the top right you will see a plus icon. Click on it, and then you have linked or unlinked. Linked basically means that it's going to connect your bank account and automatically import transactions. Unlinked is basically unlinked. You create your own, give it a nickname. So let's give it a nickname. Then you can select the account type, cash, savings, checkings, whatever, and what is your current balance on that. Enter balance, click on next, and as you can see, now I have two budgets or accounts. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.